Hello, this is your musician friend AK coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Today's song is I Am God, and that is by Donald Lawrence. Yes, the awesome Donald Lawrence. And guys, this is an awesome song. We're in the key of G flat on today. We're going to get through it. And this song was requested by Christian. Thank you so much, Christian, for this awesome song.
And to my Numerical Melodies family, if there's a tune you want to hear, drop it in the comments and I will bring it to life.
All right, guys, let's get it. We're in the key of G flat. That's G flat, A flat, B flat, B, D flat, E flat, F, and G flat. And of course, this is Numerical Melodies. We have to run through that with our numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. All right, guys, let's go ahead and stretch out our hands. Let's wiggle them. Let's get the nerves out. All right, let's play this awesome song, I Am God by Donald Lawrence.
I don't need any help. I can't handle things on my own. Oh, I am the first and the last. Whatever you need, just ask. Beginning, and I'll be there when you get to the end. I'm all seeing, all knowing, almighty, ever showing. For all of my promises, I am God. Oh, all of my promises, I am God. Oh, I am the first and I am the last.
To all my numerates, let's take this time out and count our numbers.
Easy song, guys. We're going to get through it. So we starting off with all right, let me give you that. So beautiful intro. We're going E flat minor chord, going to our D flat major chord. Now we're playing these two chords together. In our left hand, we're playing a B7 chord. In our right hand, we're playing a E flat minor chord. We're going to our D flat 13 chord in our left hand. And then we're playing our regular D flat major chord in our right hand. Let me give you those 4 chords. We're playing a B major chord, going to a D flat major chord, going to a G flat major chord. And then we're playing this open sus chord. We're on our 1. We're playing the E flat, A flat, D flat. Alright, so the song start off with I am God all by myself. I don't need any help. Let me stop right there. So we're starting out on a 1. We're playing this D flat 6 chord. Now we're going to this E7 chord. Resolving, still on the 1. We're playing this E flat major chord. I don't need. We're going to our G flat 6 chord. Yeah, beautiful chord there. Right there on the 2. Going to our F minor chord, still on the 2. Going to our 5, we're playing this beautiful chord, a B7 chord. I can handle things on my own. Alright, let me give you that. Alright, so we're going I can. Right there on can, we're playing this A7 flat 5 chord on the 7. Going to our 3, we're playing this D flat 7 chord. Oh, things. Now we're going to our 6. That's a G flat 6 chord. On my own. We're going to our 2. That's just an open G flat 7 chord. Resolving with the A flat 13 chord. Now we're going to our 5. That's a B6 chord. I am the first and the last. Whatever you need, just ask. Alright, let me give you that. So we're playing this beautiful chord. So we're on the 2, and we're playing this B flat 2 chord. The first, we're going to our 5, that's an E7 chord. And the last, going to our 1, that's a G flat 13 chord. Nice passing chord here. Grab it, we're on a 5 flat. Whatever you need. Now we're going to our 4. We're playing this G flat 6 chord. Just ask. Alright, so right there we're on our 7 flat. And we're playing this beautiful chord, A flat 7 flat 5 chord. Grab it. For I am God. Alright, let me give you that. So we're going nice transitional chord. That's a G7 flat 5 chord right there on the 6. For I am. We're playing this B7 chord right there on the 2. Alright, so what are we doing right there? We're on our 5 and we're playing this D flat 13 chord. I am God. Going right back to the 1 and we're playing that D flat sus 2 chord. Now, what are we doing next? I was there in the beginning. Let me give you that. So my nice beautiful transition. We're right here on the 6. We're playing this chord right here. Grab it. There. We're on our 2. We're playing our B7 chord. And we're going to our 5. We're playing this B7 chord. Stay right there. The beginning. So right there, we're on our 1. We're playing this D flat 2 chord. They're doing this nice transition. And I'll be there when you get to the end. Alright, let me give you that. So we're going to our 7. Beautiful song, guys. This is so beautiful. So right here, we're on our 7. We're playing our A7 flat 5 chord. And then we're going to our 3. Right there on the 3, we're playing our D flat 7 chord. Going to our 6. That's a G flat 6 chord. Going to our 2. G flat 7 chord. Stay right there on the 2. A flat 13 chord. Going to our 5. That's a B6 chord. I'm all seeing, all knowing, almighty. Showing for I am. Let's stop right there. So we're kind of doing the same thing that we did earlier, right? We're going to our 2. That's our nice passing chord. We're still doing that B2 chord, right? And then we're going to our 5. Right here on the 5, we're playing our E7 chord. Then we're going to our 1. That's a G flat 13 chord. That's right. And then we're going to our 4. Right here on the 4, we're playing our G flat 6 chord. Now we're playing this beautiful chord. Right here, D7 flat 5. Right here on the 7 flat. Then we're playing our transitional chord right there on the 6. That's our G7 flat 5. For I am God. Alright, so all I'm doing is the same thing. Going to the 2, going to the 5, back to the 1. And those chords are simply B7, right there on the 2. We're going to our 5, same B7, resolve with the D flat 13. I am God. Right, that open chord, right there on the 1. So the next part is all of my promises I have, I am God. Alright, let me give you that. We're on our 2, we're playing this A flat dominant 7 chord, going to the 5, regular D flat major chord, going to our 7. Right here on the 7, we're playing this chord right here, grab it. 3, beautiful chord here, guys. Grab it, grab it, grab it. I am God. Alright, so what that is E flat minor on the 6. Going up to our 7, we're playing this B diminished 7 chord. Going to our E flat minor right here on the 1. Going right back here to our 7 with that B diminished 7 chord. Going right back to our E flat minor chord. All this is just repeat. I am the first. I already gave you this, right? The last. Whatever you need, just ask. For I am. All this we already got, right? So right here is the turnaround. Let me give you this turnaround. So the turnaround is so we're still right here on our 2, and we're playing this B7 chord. Going to our 5 with that same B7 chord. Our transitional chord. Grab it. That's the A7 flat 5 on the 7. Going to our D flat 7 chord right here on the 3. Then we're walking up. Let me give you that. So we're playing the E flat minor on the 6, playing the A flat diminished 7 on the 7, then we're playing our E flat minor on the 1, and then we're going to our 6 and we're playing this G7 flat 5. Guys, I hope this song was a blessing for you. Awesome lesson. Today's life lesson is the 15-minute dash. The room was still humming. You know that kind of energy after praise and worship wraps up, but the air still feels charged, like the last chord hasn't fully settled in yet. Voices fading, instruments cooling off, people catching their breath. That's where I was. Then came the tap on the shoulder. Hey, can you run to the house and grab the Apple TV for the speaker? 15 minutes. Yep, that's all I had, 15 minutes. That was the window. No debate, no second guessing. I grabbed my keys and stepped out like I was being launched from a starting line. Tires hit the pavement and I was gone. The streets blurred a little, not reckless, just urgent, focused. Every red light felt personal. Every second had weight. And then there it was, a police car. Parked just ahead, quiet but watchful. The kind that doesn't need flashing lights to make your heart drop. My foot instinctively lifted off the gas, but I already knew I had been moving. I had a choice in that moment. Keep going ahead and hoping for the best, or face it head on. So I did something that even surprised me. I pulled up right next to him, rolled the window down, and said, "I must have been going pretty fast, huh?" He looked over, calm as ever, and nodded. "Yep, 50 and a 35. No attitude, no excuses, just honesty. I'm actually on my way to grab something for the minister at my church, I added. We've got about 15 minutes. There was a pause, not long, but long enough to feel like everything was being weighed. Then he gave me a small nod. All right, go ahead. Just don't do it again. No ticket, no lecture, just grace. I thanked him. I pulled off, this time at a much more reasonable speed, and made it back with time to spare. The room was ready, the moment continued, and everything landed right on time. Life lesson. Sometimes the fastest way forward isn't speeding past your mistakes. It's slowing down, owning them, and letting honesty open doors that fear would have slammed shut. All right, guys, awesome job. Let's give ourselves a hand. Yes, thank you so much for coming in and working with me on today. And Christian, thank you so much again for giving us that awesome song. Please request more. Guys, you know what? This is the time of the video that I tell you that we are on the road to, yep, I heard somebody say it, we are on the road to 1 million. Let's give it up for the 1 million.
And if Numerical Melodies got you smiling like it's your little secret, don't be stingy. Spread the joy. Tell somebody about us.
We have a bell. I would love it if you can hit that bell because a video that is new is coming right to you. And right next to that bell is a subscribe button. Yes, a subscribe button. You know what, guys? They tell me it takes 3 seconds to hit that subscribe. I want you to hit it in 3, 2, 1. Bam! I see you just hit it and you just hit that bell. Guys, you have just made my day and my week and my month and my year and my decade and my century. Guys, you know what? You're awesome. I appreciate you. And you know what? You're not just playing the music. You are the music. This is AK signing off.